What is up, guys and ladies? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hermel Ocarol. I hope you have a great day today, and if not, I hope it gets better. So for today, we would be unboxing something that would make our motorcycle look more cooler, more bulky, and more stylish. So come on, sit back and relax. At ngayong araw, guys and ladies, meron na naman tayong panibagong budol at kailangan ko ang inyong mga opinyon kung ito ba ay real or fake. Real kung nagustuhan nyo ang bagong looks ng Sonic natin, at fake naman kung hindi nyo medyo type yung bagong looks ng motor natin. Tara, samahan nyo akong i-unbox ang item na ito. Since I'm still new about content creation, I realized many things about it. It takes passion, hard work, and brainstorming to make a content. And I really appreciate those who have been in the industry for so many years now, and I'm encouraged and proud of those people who made it despite the challenges they went through. Sa lahat ng bagay, ang mahirap talaga ang panimula, but if you have the right motivation and purpose on why you are doing things, that gives you fuel to do more about it. What fuels me is the urge to encourage people to make better, if not best, decisions in choosing a motorcycle. As you know, money is really hard to earn these days, so we must buy things that add value or joy to our riders without compromising, of course, our responsibilities. So sa part na to nga, nabuksan na natin at na-reveal sa inyo kung ano yung nabili natin sa isang shopping app. And you're right, it is visor and bracket para sa ating Aerox. Napakaganda talaga ng quality nito, guys, kasi hard plastic yung gamit nila at plug and play na rin to, so madali lang talaga siyang ilagay dito sa motor natin. Wala na tayong bubutasan or ano pang gagawin natin para madiskartehan tong visor and bracket na to, no? So plug and play lang talaga. So dito tinanggal ko na yung front cover face ng motor natin, no? So allen lang yan, so madali lang din yang tanggalin, no? So fast forward na natin, no? So natanggal na rin natin yung front face cover ni Sonic at hinanda na rin natin yung mga isasalpak natin, yung visor, yung bracket. So meron din itong kasamang cover face. So ito yung ipapalit natin sa stock na cover face, no? So plug and play lang din yan, kaso walang tornilyo yung kasama yung nabili natin. Yung gagamitin nating tornilyo is yung sa stock na lang. Okay din naman tong stock na tornilyo niya, so walang problema dito, no? So dito ilalagay na natin siya, no? So swak na swak talaga siya sa front face cover ng Aerox. So akmang-akma talaga yung size niya. So di tayo mahirapan na i-assemble ito kasi plug and play lang talaga siya. So ayan, no, nalagay na natin yung front face cover. So yung next naman nating ilalagay is yung bracket niya. So yung gamit nga pala nilang pang-lock sa bracket na to is itong plastic na ipupush mo lang sa mga butas at mag-lock na siya. Nagustuhan ko ito kasi compared sa mga metal na pang-lock, nag-rust kasi. So yun, so kailangan mong palitan ng aluminum. Ang kagandahan nito ay madali lang din siyang tanggalin pag ayaw mo na ilagay or gamitin yung bracket na to. See, napaka-solid at maganda talagang tingnan yung pang-lock niya. So ito naman yung adjustable bracket niya, no, para sa visor natin. Kung gusto natin ipa-low yung visor natin or ipa-middle or ipa-high, dito natin i-adjust. So ito yung example natin, no. Napaka-angas. So maganda talaga siya at easy lang talaga ding i-adjust yung visor niya. At last at natapos na rin yung pag-install natin sa ating bracket and visor para sa ating Sonic sa Yamaha Mio Aerox 155cc. So sa tingin nyo, guys, pumogi ba yung motor natin? So comment down below kung worth it ba yung ginawa natin dito. And for its price reveal na tayo. So this cost 4,200 sa Orange app, no? I-search nyo lang yung Aerox V2 na bracket and visor. So lalabas yan doon. And if may voucher kayo, mas makakatipid pa kayo doon sa Orange app, no? So tingnan niyo naman. So sa tingin niyo, guys, worth it ba tong pag-upgrade natin sa looks ni Mio Aerox or Sonic natin? What do you think, guys? Is this real or fake? So comment down below, guys. So nilagyan ko na rin ng mga stickers tong si Sonic natin, no, para mag-stand out talaga yung looks niya. At lagyan natin ng kilay-kilay, which is color orange din, kasi orange din naman kasi yung decals ng motor natin, no. What do you think? What do you think? Worth it ba yung 4,200 natin na nagastos natin for its visor and new look? Para sa akin, worth it talaga kasi parang naging adventure sporty bike yung motor natin, no. Dumagdag angas pa yung ating nilagay na sticker, no. So hindi natin nahahayaan na hindi natin ma-test drive, no, pagkatapos nating malagay itong visor and bracket ni Sonic, no. So tingnan mo naman, napaka-smooth, hindi naman siya vibrating. So goods na goods talaga yung bracket na to. Thank you so much, guys, for reaching this part of the video. I really appreciate your support, and I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel as it encourages me to do better in the next upload. So speaking of next upload, I had an opportunity to ride with my brother in Christ and friend Ronald Sigara, who is more known as Project Gentleman. So if you're a car enthusiast, you should know his name. I'm so excited to share with you guys our journey as we do life together and to know how to win in life. This has been Hermel Ocarol. Always remember that you are the head and not the tail. And everywhere you go, be a channel of blessing, not a burden. Have a great life ahead. God bless and ride safe.